Good morning, children. Welcome back to your SST class. We have already completed SST chapter 3, that is environment. Okay, so today we will discuss the question answers. So let us see. Number A, tick the correct option. Which of these is a natural resource? Air, factory, vehicle, books. So air is the natural resource. Factory, vehicle and books are man-made. Okay. Which of these cause air pollution? Trees cause air pollution? No. Animals cause? No. Rivers cause? No. Poisonous gases causes air pollution. When we go for purchasing, we must prefer to carry what? When we go for marketing or purchasing anything, what should we carry along with us? We should carry a jute bag. Neither plastic bag, nor polythene bag, nor fancy bag. We should carry a jute bag. It is environment friendly. Okay. Excessive use of fertilizers and dumping of garbage causes what? Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, or land pollution. It will be land pollution because we use fertilizers on land, isn't it? So what happens to the soil when it is polluted? When the soil is polluted, it becomes infertile. Okay. So now match the words and phrases in the 3 columns. 3 columns are given, you have to match. Land, air and water are natural resources. Okay. And it is part of our environment. Number 2, water pollution. Water pollution is waste, sewage water. It is houses and factories. Number 4. Okay. Land pollution. Land pollution will be dumping garbage, use of fertilizers, factories and farmers. Okay. Noise pollution. Loud sound, loudspeakers, sounds from horns. Okay. Now is air pollution. Air pollution, impure air, burning of chemicals, minerals, etc. Okay. Now let us see. You have to replace the underlined words with correct ones to make the statements true. Our surrounding that consists of living and non-living thing is called what? Pollution? No. It is environment. Okay. Growing of trees causes air pollution? No. Cutting of trees causes air pollution. When water from wells it will not be, water from sewage is released into rivers and lakes, it results in water pollution. Okay. CNG means common nature's garbage? No. CNG means compressed natural gas. Replace, rewrite and refer are the 3 R's that can prevent pollution? No. Reduce, recycle and reuse are the 3 R's that can prevent pollution. Okay. Now let us move on to our short question answer. What is environment? You can see in page number 21. Points to remember. First point, environment is the natural world of plants, animals and other non-living things that surround us. This is number 1. D number 1, that is short questions number 1. Number 2, how is polluted air harmful? How is polluted air harmful? Let us see. Polluted air is harmful because if we breathe this polluted air, we suffer from breathing problems like asthma and many other diseases. Okay. If we breathe polluted air, we suffer from breathing problems like asthma and many other diseases. Okay. So you will underline from if, then you leave this and up to here you mark. Okay. D number 2. Let us see the next question. Why do we need water? We need water. We need water because water is very essential for our life. We use water for drinking, cooking, washing, growing plants and other things. Okay, from here to here. This is D number 3. I have written S, but this will be D number 3. Okay, from water to things. Okay, now let us move on to next question. Name the any two diseases caused by consuming polluted water. It will be jaundice and typhoid. You can find this in your book here. Jaundice and typhoid, page number 19. Okay. Now let us see what is noise pollution. What is noise pollution? You will write this one. Excessive noise results in noise pollution. This is D number 5. Excessive noise results in noise pollution. D number 5. Okay. So we have completed short question answers. Now let us move on to long ones. What is pollution and name the different types of pollution. So let us move to page number is 18. You will write the act of causing harm to the environment is called pollution. The act of causing harm to the environment is called pollution. This is E number 1. And after that, after up to pollution you will write. Then you will write there are 4 main types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. Okay, this is E number 1. What is air pollution? What is air pollution? Let us see. When harmful gases mix in the air, it causes air pollution. This is E number 2. When harmful gases mix in the air, it causes air pollution. From when up to pollution. This is E number 2. Don't mix it. Okay. This is D number 2. And from when to pollution is E number 2. Let us see next question. What is noise pollution? Why is noise pollution harmful? Why is noise pollution harmful? Noise pollution is harmful because noise pollution causes harm to our ears and can even damage our hearing. It also results in other health problems like high blood pressure and stress. This is page number 20, from noise to stress. Okay, this is E number 3. Now, number 4. How does land get polluted? How does land get polluted? What you will write? You will write in page number 21, you will see. If the wastes are not properly disposed, they cause land pollution. Okay. If the wastes are not properly disposed, they cause land pollution. Okay. So you will write this as E4. Next is 5 number. List any 3 ways to prevent pollution. You will write any 3 ways to prevent pollution are. Then preventing pollution, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points. You write any 3 which you can learn. Okay. You can write this: reduce, recycle, reuse, stop using polythene bags, stop bursting firecrackers. Okay. Avoid using horns, loudspeakers when are not necessary. You can also add this: grow more trees as they keep the air around us clean. You can write use CNG fitted vehicles. Okay. So now let us move to next question. Okay. 6 number question is, what does this sign mean? This sign means no horn. Okay. This sign means no horn. Where can you see this sign? Where can you see no horn sign? We see in the around the hospitals, educational institutions like schools, colleges, courts, religious places. Okay, in these places we can see this sign. So these pictures you can see, you have to identify the types of pollution in the given pictures. What type of pollution is this one? Okay, what type of pollution is this one? What type of pollution? And you have to identify the pollution, whether it is land, air, water. Okay, so you have to, or noise pollution, you have to identify this. World Environment Day is going to be celebrated in your school. Some incomplete slogans are given in the leaves. Color the leaves of the slogan in the same color to complete 5 slogans. Okay, you have to complete 5 slogans, so you have to choose one leaf and color it. Okay. Next is, this is your homework, life skill. You can do our little bit to protect our planet. Complete the statements. I will throw the garbage where dash. I will not play music dash. If I see garbage on the road, I will inform dash. When I go to market, I will carry what? And this is also your homework. Matters that has fixed shape and volume is called solid. Okay, solid object like your books, pencil box, these are what? These are solid objects. Liquid objects are called liquids. Liquids have fixed volume but no fixed shape. Okay, liquids have fixed volume but no fixed shape, and gas neither have a fixed shape nor volume. So you have to classify these pollutants as they are solid pollutant or liquid pollutant or gaseous pollutant. Rough paper, plastic pipe, carbon monoxide, petroleum spillage, smoke from chimneys, detergent solution and metal cans. What are these? What type of pollutants? These are solid, liquid or gas. You make 3 columns. In one column you will give the heading solid. In the second column you will give liquid. In the third column you will give gaseous and you will mark them. Okay. So this is the end of our chapter number 3. So you will write the question answers in your copy and learn them. So here we end our class. In the next class we will begin chapter number 4. Till then, bye, take care and thank you children.